Is my hair growing? Yes! Cool. Hey guys, welcome back to the episode 2 of Project Behind the Scene. This is Sumit and thank you so much for the amazing response on the episode 1. You guys are amazing. This month is also flying like a childhood. Yes. I was working upon few things and I just realized that it's 20th of July. Just few days back it was like June end or something. If I'm not wrong. Crazy, no? Okay, let's continue with our previous talk. This time we will try to focus more upon the design part, not the other stuff. This time we will try to focus more upon the design part rather than the other stuff.
Yeah, boy.
So in the meantime, I also studied about the type of handicrafts, their origin, how it is manufactured, what are the key features. For example, here are a few handicraft fashion accessories from Rajasthan, Philippines, from Bangladesh and the other region in global. Then I came across handicraft accessories from Africa and Swahili African Modern, who is working with tribes from different nations in Africa and making something really cool. I mean, you guys should really check upon their work, it's really amazing. I mean, it shows how they have adapted the modern trends, which is also helping their traditional African craft form thrive and which is also bringing meaning to their lives. And so continuing with a modern approach also gives a sense of pride to the entire community. Now at starting you need to read and study a lot and you might find the research part boring, especially when you are not a reading person like me. I'm not a reading person, I just can't read. I mean I can read but I just don't like reading much. मतलब जितना मैं काम हो जाए उतना ही पढ़ने का. I will give you an example. We had an elective course in design and which was not related to PD. I chose it because I just wanted to break from too many PD courses. I was the only one from PD background. After a few days of course we got a reading assignment to finish and which was pretty average for the bunch of people who love reading. Obviously I give it a shot, trying to really understand what is it trying to say. In one of the article, the author is arguing with his own thought and the other author is writing their argument. If you're not having any topic to write, why you are trying to confuse people like me? एक already है confuse करने के लिए. नहीं दो है. But it was not an interesting assignment for me to do, so I finally decided to bunk the class and sleep that day. Obviously I got a lower grade in that, but it was fun. But this is a part through which you are learning a lot of things. I'm sweating like hell, man. Like I'm so bad at geography that I got to know that places like Saharanpur, Muradabad, Khurja exist in UP. And it's also famous for brass work, wood carving, ceramic working, other than katta. I mean, it is giving you a really strong base to study and is going to play a really important role to your further design process. And your whole idea could be completely different if you find something really interesting, something really unique in your study. Obviously, it's a never-ending process, but you need to stop at some point given the time limit you have. It is really useful if you maintain a separate notebook for your research part so that you could write everything, whatever comes new to you, you can write everything in that and you can refer it back whenever it is required. Yeah, so this is my notebook for this project and it's kind of almost full. And you can see that there are a few initial sketches, but I've done most of the sketches in the other sketchbook, but I've noted down all the research part in this. You can see initially the brainstorming part and then few initial sketches, rough sketches, and mostly the research part which I've noted down in this. And this is my tripod. ट्राइपॉड तो खैर क्या ही बोले, बस डब्बा है. यहाँ पे थर्मोकोल का पीस, यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप बना दिया काट के मोबाइल के सपोर्ट के लिए. यहाँ पे एक स्केल डाला, ये थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है बेस इसका. तो बस इसी पे चल रहा है काम, पूरे जुगाड़ पे. बिल्कुल रिस्क नहीं लेने का रे बाबा. I could not order a tripod because of the lockdown and these guys are not allowing the delivery people to come to my area. Fucking China. Okay, we're not here to bitch about China. We'll just focus on our project.
कितना बोलने लग गया हूँ यार मैं.
अगर आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट में कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया तो प्लीज कमेंट बिलो. आई ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू नॉट टू आंसर दैट. This brings the end of this episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you like it and subscribe to Curry Loyal. See you in the next episode. Till then, peace.